Hello friends and welcome to my final Prime Day update. The last few days have been all about the high-tech gear, but today we're changing focus. We're talking about the gear that supports the journey, the practical, non-tech items that solve real-world travel and lifestyle problems. I've put all these on my essential Prime Day deals non-tech list. So let's dive into my top picks. First up, the Shift Cam Sling 4-litre smaller version. This is my go-to bag for city exploring or anytime I just need the essentials. It's incredibly well organized and gives me quick access to my gear without having to take off a big backpack. Speaking of keeping organized, this simple pouch is the definitive answer to cable chaos in your bag. It keeps all your chargers, adapters, and dongles organized and easy to find. An absolute travel essential that will save your sanity. For when you have to carry a lot of gear but don't want to break your bag, this Pacific Gear rolling duffel is the solution. It's lightweight but tough, and the wheels make navigating an airport a much calmer experience. I loved wheeled duffel bags as an alternative to suitcases, and this one has great reviews. But if you're ever shooting near water or traveling in unpredictable weather, this duffel bag from Maya gives you peace of mind. The roll top design makes it genuinely waterproof, protecting your valuable electronics from the elements. Now, this is one of those things you hope to never have to use, but you are incredibly glad you packed it when you do. The LifeStraw personal water filter is a small, lightweight piece of insurance for any kind of adventure travel. A simple thing, but a good, genuinely leak-proof travel mug is a non-negotiable for me. This Contigo Byron travel mug keeps my coffee hot for hours, and I can throw it in my bag with confidence that it's not going to spill. This Igloo BMX hard cooler is a fantastic piece of kit for road trips or long shoot days on location or on vacation. It's built tough, the insulation is excellent, and it's a perfect size for keeping your drinks and food cold all day long. Okay, I'm going to break my non-tech rule for one last recommendation from my tech items under $100 list because the value is just too good. This little projector is pure fun. It's surprisingly bright and turns any hotel room, wall, or tent into a movie screen. It's fantastic and a simple way to wind down after a long day of travel. And that's a wrap for my Prime Day 2025 coverage. I've linked every single product from this video in the description, and they're all organized on my Amazon storefront lists for you to browse. This is your last chance to grab these deals before the prices go back up. A huge thank you for following along these past few days. It means the world to me. Now I'm officially signing off to enjoy my weekend. Cheers and happy shopping.